How to find Noble on Amo app. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to find Noble on Amo app easy and quick. So first thing, go to your Amo application. Once you are here, click on the profile icon up there, and now click on the profile icon again. Now all you need to do is click on edit and you're gonna find Noble, which is the option number 4, and here this is your Noble. Like you see, non-Noble on this app, and this is it. So this is it guys, hope this video was helpful. If it was, please don't forget to subscribe and like.